Good day, everyone. Happy holidays to all. My name is John with TeleCloud. Thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. Today, I will show you how to add an upcoming holiday on your TeleCloud phone system. This way, you can properly route your calls for the upcoming Christmas and New Year's holidays. But enough chatting about it, let's hop right to it. First, you'll need to navigate to the TeleCloud portal and log in with your user credentials. The TeleCloud portal address is user.telecloud.co. Once again, that's user.telecloud.co. Once you log in, you'll be brought to this home screen here, and what you need to do is navigate to the Timeframes tile. Once you're in Timeframes tile, you will go to the Domain tab or selection, and you will see a time frame for holidays. Click into Holiday, and this time frame type is specific dates. What you want to do is right now we want to cater for the Christmas holiday. You would go pop up on the calendar, click the holiday, and you'll see that it automatically fills in for you, pre-fill from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. That will cover the whole day on December 25th, 2024. Click the Add button, and there it is set for you. Then come to the bottom and hit Save. You can also set it to an optional reoccurrence if you would like. Once you hit Save, now the holiday has been added. If you need to have an early closing for the day before or the day after, or for whatever day during the holiday week, you can also take care of that in here. Go to Holiday. You would go to the specific date that you would want to put in, let's say for the 24th. Now, you would want to close, let's say, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the 24th. You would leave this, you would start this at 3 o'clock, because that's when you would want the after hours routing to commence for the holiday. So we will go to 3 p.m. and then you would leave this to 11:59 because then it caters for the rest of the time for the day of the 24th. And then it would lead into the after hours routing on the 25th that you already have set. Hit the plus button here, hit save, and you're done. If you have any other questions or need any assistance, please reach out to us. You can reach us to a 908-851-0444. Option 1, or email us at support@telecloud.net. Happy holidays to all once again, and a Happy New Year.